Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to download images from Google on iPhone. Let's go. First of all, open up any web browser you like. Tap on the search bar and search for anything you like. After that, tap where it says Images. Now you'll be able to see all the images related to that search term. Just tap and select the image that you want to download. Then long press on that image and it will give you these options. Now what you want to do next is simply tap Save to Photos. Now you can exit the web browser and open up the Photos app on your iPhone to see that image. This is exactly how you can download images from Google on your iPhone. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.